Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rekha and today I will be taking you along for this tutorial of the Avery dress. The pattern for this lovely style is available for sale on my website. I will leave a link in the description box below in case you wish to buy it. Let's start with the top part. Place the front and the back piece together with the right sides facing each other. Pin the shoulders all the way down to the sleeves. And stitch them together. Flatten out the seams and iron them. And follow all of these steps with the lining piece as well. Place these two pieces on top of each other, the right sides facing inwards. Pin all around the neckline and secure this with a stitch. If you are using any sort of heavier or stiffer fabrics, it would help to cut small notches all along the neckline at this point. In this case, I have skipped that because I am using linen, which is a softer fabric and easy to fold over. Turn the fabric inside out and iron the neckline flat. Next, let's work on the lower half, starting with the pockets. Double fold and stitch the top part of the pocket pieces. Create the curve by ironing the seam allowance inwards. You can use the pocket pattern as a guide by placing it on top and folding the seam allowance over the pattern while you iron. This way you can get a nice even curve. Now place the pockets onto the front body piece and stitch along the curve. I'm also adding a second stitch to secure the raw edges. Pin the front lining with the front body piece and stitch along the curve. Place the front piece on top of the seam and pin it. As you can see, I have ironed the seam allowance inwards. This can be really helpful to get a neat finish. And I'm going to add a top stitch. Attach the back in the same way. Now let's finish the side seams. I'll be using French seams here, so I'm going to attach the pins onto the right side of the fabric. Let's stitch these sides now. Trim the edges. Fold over and stitch. Double fold and finish the sleeve openings and the hem. And we are done. Here is the final look. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please feel free to leave any questions you might have for me in the comment section below, and subscribe to this channel if you wish to see more such tutorials. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye.